back to the channel and to the finished video on the 2013 Hyundai i10 Active. If you've not seen the first video, we'll put a little link in the corner and you can see that this is a Cat S registered car due to light front damage, but is all now repaired. It's just had a full service and a new MOT. The inside has been fully valeted and it does have such features as power steering, electric windows front and back, electric mirrors and air conditioning. If you have any questions on this car or any cars featured on the channel, do leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can contact me on c96rebuilds@gmail.com. If you like these videos, please do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming cars. And I do thank you for taking the time to watch the videos, and I'll see you soon in the next video.